This video will demonstrate how to configure an iCCU-S in a TS2 cabinet to operate as a BIU in order to receive PED calls from and place calls to the traffic controller. This configuration eliminates the need to install the 50-pin connector and connect the associated wires. For this video, we will use the Polara iOS app, but the process is similar with iNavigator apps for other platforms. Preparation. Before starting, you will need to determine which load switches are used to power the PED heads. In this cabinet, the load switch positions are 13 through 16. You will also need to determine which detector BIUs are available for use. In this cabinet, detector BIU number 1 is already used, so we can assign BIU 2, 3, or 4. Note: some controllers refer to the SDLC addresses of the BIU instead of a BIU number. If this is the case, you will see addresses 8, 9, 10, or 11 in place of number 1, 2, 3, or 4, respectively. Ensure that an SDLC cable is connected to the iCCU and is providing an SDLC signal. An SDLC-Y cable may be needed to complete the connection. Configuring the iCCU. Connect with a PBS or iCCU. From the main menu, select iCCU Configuration. Go to Cabinet PED Interface Setup. Select SDLC/BIU. Select the BIU number. For this demonstration, we will use BIU number 2. Select the load switch channel assignments. In this case, it is load switch channels 13 through 16. Tap Save in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Enabling BIU on the controller. Traffic controllers vary from model to model. Therefore, Polara is unable to provide support for configuring the traffic controller. But the basic steps are as follows. Use the traffic controller to enable BIU devices. Enable detector BIU number 2 to match the iCCU configuration that was selected in the previous step. Use the traffic controller to verify that there are no SDLC errors on the BIU device that was enabled. If there are errors on the newly enabled device, make sure the iCCU is powered on, the SDLC cable is connected, and the BIU number matches the iCCU configuration. Remapping the vehicle detector inputs. You will need to remap the controller vehicle detector inputs to PED inputs. Please refer to your traffic controller's manual or contact the distributor of the controller for assistance. Assigning PBS phases. Connect with a PBS or iCCU, and from the main menu, select iCCU Configuration. Go to Phase Setup. Assign each PBS to the appropriate phase. Tap Save in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. At this point, all PBSs should be able to receive interval changes and place PED calls. Test the system. Verify that all PBSs are able to place calls to the controller and respond appropriately to the PED interval changes. That concludes this demonstration video. If you have any questions or need assistance, please contact Polara Tech Support.